2025 was a major learning experience for me as a creator. During that time, I was able to create work that I've become genuinely proud of. I'm not a big creator yet, but I've built a collection of tools to help me create the work and art that I have loved throughout 2025, and I will continue to be using in 2026. So let's talk about the tools that I use in 2025 to create my content and the tools I'll be using in 2026 to continue to improve. So let's start with my main camera, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II. Now this is my main camera. Outside of all the drone shots, pretty much every shot you see in all my videos, this is the camera I'm using. This is the camera I'm using to record right now besides my other camera. But this camera is a fantastic piece of hardware. It shoots 4K footage up to 60 frames per second with clean, sharp footage, all thanks to its oversampling. But what I really love about this camera is the fact that it is an amazing piece of equipment for low light settings. This is because as a full frame sensor, I'm able to shoot in pretty much all settings, sunsets, street lights, you name it. It's all clear and usable footage without that ugly, grainy look. Unless you want that, which is totally fine. This is huge for the kind of videos that I shoot. I mainly shoot travel vlogs and content like that, so it perfectly suits my video style. You also get 10-bit color with the Canon S-Log. So you have a lot of range with colors as you're doing post processing. It gives you a ton of flexibility. Plus it has in-body stabilization, so even if I'm on the move, walking around, the footage still looks cinematic, still looks smooth. It's incredible. The autofocus also is incredible. I don't have to babysit the autofocus function. Even right now, I'm moving around and it's tracking my face perfectly. So it's a great piece of hardware I'll be using throughout 2026. For lenses, I only have one lens, and it's the kit lens. And even though it's the kit lens, it is a workhorse. I'm using the Canon RF 24 to 105 millimeters f4 to 7.1 IS-STM. And for video, it covers way more than what people give it credit for. It's incredible. It goes from 24 millimeters, so I get those wide landscape shots of sweeping views. I can even do interiors. And then it can go all the way up to 105 millimeters when I want to punch into a subject and really get into it without having to change lens. It's a pretty versatile lens. The zoom range is really good because it allows me to do really fast run and gun shots, especially when I'm shooting solo, which is pretty much literally all of my videos by myself, so it's perfect for convenience as well. It also has inbuilt into the lens image stabilization, which pairs well with the body of the camera stabilization, so I get smooth footage pretty much all the time. Now, it's not the fastest lens. The aperture goes only as low as 4, which leaves a lot to be desired when it comes to that blurred bokeh or bokeh look, however you want to say it. It doesn't have all that, but for what it has for a kit lens, I mean, it's pretty good. It's really good. It absolutely gets the job done. Now for aerial footage, I use the DJI Air 3 drone, and it is an incredible piece of hardware. For my channel, it's probably one of my best investments that I've made for this channel. I mean, it opens the door to so many different creative shots. I love using it. I love flying with it. It's easy to fly, but let's get into the specifics. It has a dual camera system. You get two 48 megapixel cameras on a 3-axis gimbal, so the footage will pretty much always be smooth, even if there's incredible amounts of wind. So one camera is good for those sweeping landscape shots that really put emphasis on where you're at. And then there is a 3x zoom camera, which really lets you punch into subjects. Both cameras have 1 and 1.3 inch sensors, which keeps the footage very clean, very detailed, very crisp, very nice. It shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second, and even does 100 frames per second for that slow motion shots. This drone is flexible. This drone is very, very easy to use. I got the Fly More package, which gave me 3 battery packs with a charging port that goes along with it. And if you have the option, get the remote control. You could use the drone without the controller and have your phone be the thing that you see through, but it's just so much simpler to have that controller with you. It makes it so much better. So if you do decide to get one, get the Fly More package with the RC controller. It'll save you so much time and save you the headache. So for the last camera that I use, I have my phone, camera 2, my iPhone. It's the iPhone 15, and it's actually way more versatile than what people might give it credit for. And this camera also has a 40 megapixel main camera with sensor shift stabilization, so when you're moving, the image still stays clean, still stays smooth, and very usable. It also has a 12 megapixel wide lens, so it's really good for those landscape shots and tight interiors. It shoots 4K up to 60 frames per second with HDR and Dolby Vision, so colors are still bright, they're still vibrant, they're still alive. And the 12 megapixel lens makes it very, very convenient for vlogging or like talking head videos like this one. So those are my 3 cameras that I've used in 2025 and will still be using in 2026. And that's it. That's all tools that I used in 2025 and what I will be using continuing forward in 2026. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some value out of that. And if you liked this video, enjoyed what you saw and want more, like and subscribe. Like I said, thank you for watching. And until next time, peace.